The only thing better than roasted potatoes is roasted potatoes wrapped in crispy bacon. These are delicious as is, but if you want to impress the family, do these for Sunday roast. You are going to be everyone's favourite. Now, I love these baby potatoes because they cook fast and we get more of a crispiness around it. Also, it makes it really easy to wrap the streaky bacon around it. So here's a pot of cold water. When you're cooking your potatoes, always start with cold water and bring it up to the boil. So into the cold water. And then I'll add a pinch of salt. The heat can go on. Once that comes to the boil, we'll just boil it for 10 minutes and then we'll strain them. Now, these potatoes have cooked. I've allowed them to cool a little bit so they can dry out. I've left the skin on them and now we can wrap them in the bacon. Streaky bacon works best for this because you get long strips, and we'll grab the potato and wrap it around, and using 2 toothpicks we'll just fasten this to the potato. So you can imagine when you're cooking this in the oven, when all of that fat starts to render down, it's going to flavour the interior of that potato. I like to put this on a bed of bay leaves and some thyme, so hard herbs. We'll just drizzle a little bit of olive oil on top of them so they don't burn in the oven, and then we'll pop the potato on top. So I'm going to make a few more of these, and then these go into the oven to roast 190 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until that bacon is really crispy and that potato is nice and soft. Crispy potatoes, crispy bacon, all the things I love on one pan. And I can smell those gorgeous herbs. This is a great way to roast your potatoes in a little bit of a different way. And don't forget, before serving them to your guests, take out the toothpicks.